Hello everyone, this is just a quick video to explain how to mark writings on Blackboard. This is probably a temporary way of doing it, but it's, you got to go through a few steps, so I thought I'd just do a video just to show you. So you need to log into Blackboard. In this one I've logged in as Najla because she's attached to this assessment course, but you will all be attached to the next ones. So you need to go to the assessment, which is ASMT for the stage. She's doing stage 3. Then you need to go down on the left hand side where it says course management. There's something that says users and groups. Just click on that. Here we have groups. Click. Then these are all the CRNs attached to stage 3. Now Najla's name is here because that's the course she teaches, but the one she's been asked to mark is this one. So the CRN is here, 21064, and it's an Elaine class. You would click on the down arrow and then go to Open Smart View. And then you'll see all the grades, the student grades, and there isn't one for writing. If you click on it, it actually allows you to enter a grade, but you need to see the text. So if you click on the down arrow again, click on the attempt, and it has the date, I guess, of when the writing was done. Click on here, and here you will have the text of the student. In the top right of each text, you will have the score out of 25, and then if you want the notes options, I guess are for the teachers to make comments on their performance, but for the marker, if you wanted, it's not essential. There is a grading notes where you could put the different score for task achievement, for mechanics, I can't remember the order of it, organization, what have you, and you could put the score there. But it's not essential. When you finish, click Save and Next, and you'll go to the next student. I won't click it on here because it might give the student a score of 0. Okay, thanks.